The kids were bored, and Sue was tired of them sitting in front of the TV like zombies, but she had nothing for them to do. Then she remembered her friend Meg telling how her kids loved My Treasure Trunk. It required no prep, and the projects included everything needed and were educational yet fun. She quickly orders a subscription for the kids. My Treasure Trunk arrives to her doorstep full of fun projects in 8 different learning areas. When you sign up, just like Sue, your child will go on a journey with 8 masters designed to nurture the whole child and expose them to many different experiences. Each month, your child's journey begins with a well-curated book chosen to extend their language and expand their horizons. Your child will explore science and engineering as they apply logic as aspiring scientists. They will move and go on adventures as they explore their world. They will become better world citizens as they engage in social and emotional learning activities and also learn to be environmental caretakers. Watch your child create artistic masterpieces and apply their imaginations to dream and construct new worlds. Give your child an advantage with their own fun and engaging My Treasure Trunk, delivered to your door every month. Order one for your family today.